Welcome to our channel. I'm Shabaz and I'm so excited to be your guide as we explore the heart of Paris for 6 amazing days. Get ready to experience the city of lights like a local, from famous places to hidden treasures. Over the next 6 days, we'll visit incredible museums, walk along beautiful streets, enjoy yummy pastries, and soak up the romantic feeling that Paris is known for. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos. Our Paris adventure starts the moment we get off the plane, feeling a mix of jet lag and excitement. But believe me, any tiredness will disappear as we head to our first stop, the famous Eiffel Tower. You haven't really seen Paris until you've looked out from the top of this iron giant. As we go up, the city spreads out below us like a giant map. We'll stay up here for a while, enjoying the moment as the lights of Paris start to twinkle. Later we'll walk through the charming streets near the tower, and maybe find a cozy restaurant for a tasty dinner. The perfect ending to our first magical day in Paris. Get ready for a day of art and history as we explore one of the world's most famous museums, the Louvre. We'll happily wander through its huge halls, looking at masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. Remember, it's not about seeing everything, but finding a few pieces of art that you really love. And what better way to relax after a day of art than a peaceful boat ride down the Seine River? As the sun sets, painting the city in a warm glow, we'll float past lit-up landmarks, enjoying the gentle rocking of the boat and the magic of Paris at night. Today we travel back in time, starting at the inspiring Notre Cathedral. Even as it's being rebuilt, the strength of this grand lady is powerful. We'll feel the echoes of history under its tall arches. Then we'll explore the nearby Latin Quarter, a historic maze of narrow streets, charming bookstores and lively cafes. This is the perfect place to wander, finding hidden courtyards and enjoying the student energy. And for lunch, how about a classic Parisian crepe from a street vendor, enjoying every bite as we soak up the atmosphere. Get ready to fall in love with the artistic spirit of Montmartre, a hilltop neighborhood with a creative soul. We'll walk through its cobblestone streets, finding cute cafes and artists selling their work in Place du Tertre. And as we climb the steps to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, prepare for amazing views of Paris. This is a great spot to just relax, enjoy the atmosphere, and maybe have a coffee while watching street performers. As evening comes, we'll discover the magic of a traditional Parisian cabaret, a treat for all our senses and a perfect ending to our Montmartre adventure. Today, we'll take a break from the city with a day trip to the magnificent Palace of Versailles. As we walk through its fancy halls and explore the beautiful gardens, we'll travel back in time to the days of French royalty. Imagine the splendor, the secrets, the amazing luxury. We'll take our time exploring the palace's many rooms, each one more impressive than the last. And in the huge gardens, we'll find a peaceful spot to relax by the fountains, enjoying a picnic lunch and soaking up the royal atmosphere. It's hard to believe our Paris adventure is almost over, but before we say goodbye, we have one last stop, the famous Champs-Élysées. This grand avenue is a shopper's dream, filled with designer stores, big department stores and tempting bakeries. We'll do some window shopping and maybe buy a few souvenirs. And for one last taste of Parisian luxury, we'll enjoy coffee and pastries at a sidewalk cafe, watching people walk by. As we savor each bite, we'll raise a toast to Paris, a city that has stolen our hearts and given us unforgettable memories. And there you have it, 6 wonderful days in the City of Lights. I hope this has inspired you to plan your own trip to Paris. Remember, travel is about more than just visiting famous places. It's about experiencing the culture, enjoying every moment, and making memories that will last a lifetime. Please like, share, and subscribe to Shabz Travel Guide for more travel adventures. From all of us here, happy travels, and until next time, goodbye.